All right, let's talk about building the ultimate blueprint for a generative AI training program that your sales team will actually use and love. Look, this isn't just about rolling out another new tool. This is about building a powerful new capability from the ground up, one that can literally transform how your team sells. And hey, just so we're all on the same page, the entire framework we're digging into today comes directly from Chapter 1 of a fantastic tutorial by Virtualization Options LLC. So let's just dive right in with a question that I know we've all asked ourselves at some point. Why do so many of these exciting new tech rollouts just fizzle out? You know the story, right? There's a ton of hype, a powerful new tool gets introduced, but 6 months later, nobody's using it, and those game-changing results are just nowhere to be found. Well, the reason is surprisingly simple. Way too often, companies try to build a skyscraper on a foundation of sand. See, here's the thing. Success with generative AI in sales isn't really about the AI tool itself. Nope, it's all about the groundwork you lay before a single person on your team even touches the new tech. So today, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to lay out the blueprint for that rock-solid foundation. We'll kick things off by really understanding this AI sales revolution, and then we'll walk through the 4 essential pillars for success: assessing your readiness, defining your metrics, locking down security, and customizing the training for real, measurable impact. Okay, first things first, let's get our heads in the right space. This isn't just about adopting another piece of software on the checklist. Integrating generative AI is a fundamental shift in how your sales team prepares for calls, how they engage with customers, and ultimately how they win deals. It's a whole new way of working. And this right here, this highlights a huge mistake that so many companies make, the one-size-fits-all approach. Think about it. Your super technical sellers, they need AI to help break down complex product specs. Your relationship-focused reps, they need it to help build rapport and find common ground. Inside sales needs virtual tools. Outside sales needs something that works on their phone. If you don't get this from the start, your program is basically doomed before it even begins. Which brings us to our very first pillar. You have to assess your organization's readiness. I mean, you can't build anything that lasts if you don't understand the ground you're building on. You have to know your starting point, warts and all. Now, this assessment breaks down into 4 really clear steps. First up, evaluate your infrastructure. Can your current tech stack and CRM even support these new tools? Second, map out your team skills. Who are your tech-savvy champions, and who's going to need a little extra help? Third, document your sales process to find the exact spots where AI can give you the biggest bang for your buck. And finally, align your stakeholders. Get leadership, IT, and legal in the same room from day one. Trust me on this. But here's the piece that almost everyone forgets, and it's critical: the culture. You got to be honest with yourself. How did your last big tech rollout actually go? Does your team have the bandwidth to learn something new right now? And maybe most importantly, who are your internal champions? Find those people early. They are going to be your secret weapon for driving adoption. Okay, on to our second pillar, defining what success actually looks like. Because without clear metrics, you're just flying blind. You have no way to prove the value of your program, which means you're never going to get the support you need to keep it going or expand it. And to measure success the right way, you need 2 different types of metrics. On one side, you've got your leading indicators. These are things like training completion rates or how often the tools are being used. They give you those early warning signs if you need to make a change. Then, on the other side, you have your lagging indicators, the big business results, like a faster sales cycle or higher win rates. You have to track both to tell the full story of your program's impact. So, what's the best way to test all this out and build some momentum? It's a pilot program. You start small with a group of enthusiastic volunteers. This lets you iron out all the kinks in your training, get some really honest feedback, and this is the best part, you start creating internal success stories. Those first pilot participants, they will become your most powerful and effective champions. Now for our third pillar, and let me be crystal clear, this one is absolutely 100% non-negotiable, making security the cornerstone of your entire program. A single data breach can wipe out every single potential gain and completely destroy customer trust in a heartbeat. Your first line of defense here is a simple but incredibly powerful data classification framework. You need to train your team so they can instantly tell the difference between public info, like a product brochure, and confidential data, like a customer's private account details. It's not complicated, but it is absolutely essential. And once they can classify data, you teach them this simple 3-step sanitization process. It's easy. Before you write a prompt, you consciously identify the sensitive data. You classify its risk level, and then you sanitize it, which just means you remove or replace anything confidential. This has to become a reflex, just pure muscle memory for every single person on your sales team. All right, let's move on to our final pillar, customization. This, my friends, is the secret ingredient. This is what separates training that gets ignored from training that your team actually uses to go out and close more deals. You have to make it relevant to their world, their day-to-day. Let's just be real for a second. Generic off-the-shelf AI training almost never works for sales teams. It just doesn't. It falls flat because it doesn't speak their language or understand their specific products, their customers, and the challenges they face every single day. This is why so many of these rollouts end up being a total waste of money. So instead, you're going to build the training yourself using this checklist. Use your actual real-world sales scenarios and common objections. Weave in your company's existing sales process. And here's the pro tip. Get your top-performing reps involved in creating the training materials. Their buy-in and their street cred are absolutely priceless. Okay, we've covered the 4 pillars. We've laid all the groundwork. Now, let's put it all together into one single, cohesive blueprint that you can take back and use to build your own killer program. And here it is, your blueprint for success. It all starts with understanding your baseline by assessing your readiness. Then, you define your destination by setting clear metrics. You protect the entire project by building it on a foundation of security. And finally, you make it all stick by customizing the content to be deeply personally relevant to your team. These 4 steps, they make all the difference. So, there you have it, the complete blueprint for building an AI training program that actually succeeds. The real question now is, as you look at your own organization, is your foundation strong enough to build on? Thanks for joining me.